This is a very special vehicle we are seeing here today at the 2020 Portland International Auto Show, the Lexus LFA, powered by a 4.8-liter V10 with 553 horsepower, and just has a screaming F1 type sound that people absolutely go crazy over. Listen here to some audio from this thing. Pretty awesome. If you can get your hands on one of these, you are sure to be the neighborhood superstar. It'll only set you back around $400K though. Go online at OregonCarSource.com or give us a call if you're looking for a new or used vehicle.